Okay, welcome back to another video. In this episode, we are going to be doing some exhaust work on the V6. This exhaust right here was in the back of the V8, the 4.6, which was the right side of the car, but they have it like ghetto rigged underneath there. And so I just figured I'd just buy a whole brand new dual exhaust for the whole setup here on the V8. So I took this exhaust here, cut it flush. The piece that I cut off was probably like maybe a foot long. And then I cut like an inch strip out of it and basically flattened it out and then welded it because there was a hole here on this tip here. So I welded this piece over top of it. I still got some touch up to do, which we'll get through in this video. But so I bought these clamps I'm gonna be putting this on the other side of this exhaust here, which I'll show you guys in a minute, and I'm gonna clamp it together. So, all right, and then under here, what we got going on is, which we already did it, but we cut this here, so we're gonna match the other pipe going to this one. We're gonna put that sleeve over top of it, and then the tip's gonna come out right here. And I'm gonna have it sticking out probably like maybe 2 inches, maybe at most. So that's kind of what we're working on. So since we just got this done here, we're gonna put the tip up here. We're gonna get our measurement, and then cut it down. And then, yeah, then we're ready for the clamp. From here, we're just gonna put this up in here and kind of figure out where we want this. So I'm gonna cut it a little long. All right, so we got our mark here. And again, we made it kind of long at the end of the day. Plan is going to be to get the grinder, clean this up a little bit, and then put that that sealer on there. All right, so we got it all grinded down. We sanded it to clean the surface. We put the exhaust stuff over the edges just to ensure that there's no cracks, no holes, no nothing. So we're gonna let that sit for a little while. What we're gonna do is we're gonna try to assemble the bracket, which we have over here, which we're gonna be using this today. Using this, we bought this one too, but I don't know. We're gonna try this one first and see how it goes. We got a little bit of JB Weld just in case, and we have the sealer, so we should be in pretty good shape. And yeah, we got it cut down and everything, so now it's ready to be put on. So I'm actually going to show you guys what it sounds like before we put the exhaust on, and then we're going to take another video of what it sounds like with it on.